Hello everybody, it is 3:09 and 37 seconds on November 9th. This is mini number 1 for Strange Tales 110, the first Doctor Strange, and Doctor Strange 169, the origin issue. Over here are the 15 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place gets the first 4 open spots in the main, based on availability. Whoever comes in second gets the next 2 available spots in the main. It will be a straight fill. Let's roll the 3 dice. The number is 9. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one. 9. Jeff Lewis, and then Jean Paul. Jeff gets the first 4. Jean Paul gets the next 2. Congratulations. Time is 3:10 and 30.